Hello everyone and welcome back again. In this video I would like to explain another way to create the functions or formulas in Excel. We have already explained how to create the functions or formula. We said we have, for example, to create a sum function or the total for math and English. We just write equal in order to write the function, for example. So the function should be sum here, and then I need to add this number and this number, right? And close the bracket and okay. And after that we can just drag. Same thing for if function, for example, a drag. We have another way to do that, to enter any functions or any formula here, especially the functions, I mean not formulas, sorry, just a functions. So you have another way to, maybe it is easier, I don't know, for some students. So like a visual way, we don't need to write anything, right? Don't need to write a code or write equal or open a bracket and just take care about the comma and something like that. You can just working with it visually. So just go here, insert function, click on it, and you can find all functions here: VLOOKUP, sum, if, and so on. If you couldn't find the function, you can just write the function here, search for function. For example, I need average, so just write average and just go. So now average the first one, or from here you can see many categories here, all, so you can find all functions in Excel here. Or you can see, for example, lookup for VLOOKUP, so you'll find the VLOOKUP at the last one. Or you can just go to recommended, you can find the average and some functions here. You can just from here you can find any functions you want. So for example, here I need the sum function, so I just go here, same thing, click here and just go here, and it's sum, so just click on the sum and okay. Now you can see we don't need to write equal sum or anything, just here I need to make a sum for the number 1 and number 2, right? So just this number, and then click here for number 2, click on this number, only like this, and okay. Now it's automatically create or generate the sum function for me. Or another way to do that, same thing, you can just again click here in the total and then go to insert. After that go to, for example, I need the average, so click on average, okay. So you can select this one and this one, number 1 and number 2, and to find average like this one, and then go here, this one, and okay. Or in another way, same thing for the all functions, you can just select anything you want. For example, I need just those numbers, so just select both numbers, B2 to C2, and then okay, and it will find the average for those numbers. Same thing, this horizontally or vertically in the same way. For example, I need here the count or the max or anything you want, any function, just go here. For example, I need max, so I can just write max here to find the max, the greatest value, click on the max and then okay. So I need max for what, so I can select anything you want. For example, I will select all those numbers, and then just like this and okay. Now you will find automatically generate the max function here. Same thing with the if function. Here I don't need to write if function equal and if, just go here, insert, and then I need to find if function, go to if, okay. Now in the if, the first thing that have parameters, the first one logical test, we said logical test should be greater than, less than, or equal, something like that. So I need math greater, should be less than or equal to 49. So just select math here, this number, and say less than or equal, the keyboard, 49. This is the logical test. Now if this logical test correct or true, I need to write what here? If, depending on the question. So just also between the double quotation mark you need to find if and write if. Otherwise, if it is not correct, if it is false, just write here P. Also depending on the question, just like this, and then okay. Now you can see it's automatically generate the if function for you. Same thing, of course, you can just auto here. Same thing here, you can just auto. Same thing we can do it with the VLOOKUP. For example, here I need to find the VLOOKUP. So here we have the name. When we write the name of the student, I need to find the marks and result. So here, just click. I need to write the VLOOKUP here. Go to insert and then try to find VLOOKUP. You can find it here, or you can just go here and find the lookup. And the last one is VLOOKUP. And OK. Now, in the VLOOKUP, we have the first thing. You can see here, the first thing, lookup value. So the lookup value, this one, the name, I'm looking for the name. Here we have a table array. Then the second parameter is table array. The table array is the table, as we said before. Then the third one is column index number. Column index number, which column I need here? Of course, I need for the result. So for the result should be, just go here. Sorry, not the result. I need for marks. So 1, 2. So just write 2, index number 2. After that, I need the lookup, always 0, the last one. And then, OK. So you can see same thing, automatically generate the VLOOKUP for you. Same thing here, just go to the VLOOKUP, then try to find the VLOOKUP. You can just write it here, VLOOKUP, and then go. So the VLOOKUP here and just OK. Same thing, the lookup value, the name, and then go to the table array. So I need the table, all the table. After that, column index, and now I need the result. So the result 1, 2, 3. So in the third, so just write 3, and here 0, and just OK. Same thing here. This one may be a little bit different, so you can just go also here and then VLOOKUP. OK. Now what I need here, when I write the marks, I need to find the result. So the marks in the second one, we said always the lookup value, which is the mark here, the lookup value, the mark. Always the lookup value should be in the first column from the left. So you should start from mark, from here. So just select it. Sorry, not here. Here I need the lookup value, the first one. The second one, table array. So start from marks, as we explained. And then column index. So we started from what? From marks, right? So 1, 2, here the result. So second one, so just write 2. And here always, as we explained, 0. Just like this. And so just like that, you can do this with all functions, any function. Instead of you write equal and then write quotation marks and open the brackets and something like that, you can just integrate it in this way from here. So I hope you understand that, and thank you very much.